Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're whipping up a quick and delightful dish, golden chicken and cucumber stir fry. Let's dive in. Start by dicing up some chicken breast, marinated with a mix of cooking wine, starch, egg, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good toss and let it soak up those flavors for about 10 minutes. In a hot pan, fry those marinated chicken cubes until they're beautifully golden on both sides. Once they're done, set them aside for a moment. Now, let's create the magic sauce. Combine tomato sauce, a bit of oil, sugar, white vinegar, a splash of water, and a pinch of salt. Dice up a fresh cucumber and set it aside. Back to the pan, add a touch more oil and toss in the chicken and cucumber. Stir fry until everything's dancing in harmony. Time to bring in the sauce for that final flavorful kick. Stir, stir, stir until every piece is coated in that deliciousness. Serve it up in a dish, and there you have it, the fantastic golden chicken and cucumber stir fry. Give it a shot, and I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.